rectangles. It's over there.
Hey guys, Jacob Moon's Mox. We got JG Comics. We are looking around at an old car show. I'm gonna turn the camera around and
They
let
got
you
Knight
guys see.
Rider. They got stuff too.
We have this police car here. Serve and protect. Looks really cool. Really want to get like make a Lego version or something. Then we got over here the Vacation, National Lampoons. Gotta love that movie. But yeah, these are all custom cars that were made to look like them. Oh, I love this one. This is awesome. Good job. I love this one. So far, this one's my favorite. I love that. Oh, and you got, you can't see it right now, but on the dashboard, it's got like citizens arrest.
Citizens arrest.
Citizens arrest. So we're in North Carolina right now on a quick trip.
What boat is that from?
I don't know. I don't think that's part of the car show.
You can see the Knight Rider car over there.
Alright, I'm going to jump ahead real quick. We got the Gran Turismo, or Torino from Starsky and Hutch. That's a pretty cool one. Still not as good as the Mayberry, in my opinion. Alright, over here, we've got the, let's see, which one is this? The Andy Griffith Show. Oh, another one. Nice. This one looks really good. It's got a nice detailed interior, too. The gun. Yeah. This is there's a little picture of Don Knotts and such. Yeah, this is a pretty cool car show. Give me a second. So yeah, there's that Lamborghini again. They have, again, JG Comics. Let's go. Check it out. There it is, Evel Knievel. Oh, excuse that music, but yeah. Evel Knievel's motorcycle and jacket and helmet. That's cool. Alright, so yeah, that was awesome. So hopefully don't get copyright from music because I cannot control that. But yeah, we're just walking through. There's General Lee again. And Knight Rider, which is probably, again, close up there.
Let me get your picture with the Evel Knievel.
Got that awesome red light. I actually tried making him before. I never was able to get it looking right though. Yeah, definitely I say that the Bader's better than McQueen. So yeah guys, I don't know how much more.
Maybe.
Nah, I doubt it. I don't think there is a Ghostbusters.
Huh?
I don't think there's a Ghostbusters. Yeah guys, so thank you so much for watching. This has been my tour. With my friend Jace from JG Comics. Go subscribe again, link in the description of all of the parts of this video. So yeah, go check that out. Hopefully I don't get copyright for the music, but other than that, this has been Jacob Moon's Mox. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. And we have the awesome Knight Rider. Again, sorry if it's uploaded in more than one piece, but this is awesome. Alright, I will listen to that. Oh, now that's cool. You can get all the buttons and stuff. Alright, Jace, what do you think? What's your favorite car so far?
This one's pretty cool, but I also like that one.
Oh, yeah, the General Lee. Here we go. Trying not to get too many faces in it. But yeah. Got the General Lee. From the Dukes of Hazzard. That's one movie I haven't seen. Turn the camera back on. There we go.
I don't remember that being there.
Iconic. Orange. And there's the 01. Nice. So these cars are so amazing. Oh, you got the Hazard County. They got the sheriff. along with it. There we go. There's the sheriff from Dukes of Hazzard as well. 1975. Oh, I watched this fucking. Yeah. Oh, they do. I was wondering where that was from. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. Roscoe. Oh, you got. Yeehaw! All the people who signed it. This is awesome. Oh, Krispy Kreme. I want some of those.
Someone's inside there.
Yep. Oh, you can get inside it? That's nice. Hopefully we don't get shout out or copyright music. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Yeah. Alright, here is the awesome Smokey and the Bandit. Trans Am. Please do not touch. Okay? Don't touch. Gotta obey the rules. I wouldn't want to be the kid to mess this up. Gotta love the Firebird. Or Thunderbird. I can't remember. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. That looks awesome. Behind it, you got the big semi. Trying not to get too many people on the camera, but here, this is my personal favorite, I think, so far. This might be better than the Mayberry. It's the destroyed sheriff. I love that. Oh, there's the door. Yeah. The door that broke off. See, you got all the pictures from it. Yeah, this is funny. Le Mans, Smokey and Bandit. Need it. Alright. There's the bent antenna. Man, they did some really good. They really put some work into this thing to get it as accurate as possible. Man, I absolutely love the door. They even put the door in there. That was fun. There's the big truck. Again, this is in North Carolina. Transport Museum. They're doing a quick, just a little movie Cars expedition. Alright. You got Tow Mater and Lightning McQueen back there. I'll give you a closer look whenever we get over there. That one's the one we should try and make. Lightning McQueen and Mater Transformers. Yeah, well, I know, shout out to Daniel Ringgett. I can't remember his YouTube channel name, but he has made a Lightning McQueen and a Mack truck. Mack from Cars movies. And he took those and he made Transformers out of them. And I thought those were awesome, but I really want to make that, so. Oh, remind me, guys. Oh, here's some old tractors and stuff. They're not from movies, they're just part of it. Want to take a picture? What?
They're actually not flat.
No, of course not, because this is like, they just moved them. They moved them here.
And
They just did that. Alright, so yeah. This is looking awesome. Alright, I'm going to go move over closer to the... So yeah, there is the Mater. Right. There we go. Tow Mater, towing salvage, radiator springs. I don't know, something about just seeing Mater, which is one of my favorite cartoons growing up. Seeing it in real life just kind of looks a little strange for me.
It's missing the dents.
Oh yeah, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's missing all the dents. There's supposed to be a dent right there, there, and a little more rust, right? But the cars, ugh. lightning just, I don't know, something about them just, lightning don't look right in my opinion. I don't know, it's just the eyes. But these are fully functioning cars. You can actually drive these things. Which that would be funny to see him driving down the road. The glass actually has the dots in it. So you can still see.
How come they're playing the Ghostbusters song? They don't have that good one.
Oh no.
Think we got it outside?
Maybe. The art of that.
I've touched this stuff.
They really did a good job of making this thing screen accurate. Although his big brain is supposed to be right here, not 2 seats and all that. I think it just helps the wind go through. I don't know. Maybe holds it better together. Ah. Medicated bumper ointment. 95 Rusty's. There's that Lamborghini from earlier. I don't think I got a good view of it though. I don't know what it's from. So alright, so this video is going to be in part 2s, but here is a cool Lamborghini. What movie is this?
I don't know.
You don't know? Alright. Well, I don't know it either, but this looks pretty cool. Maybe Magnum? That one's nice. Coming up is another one of my... Oh, I'm going to check out the Joker. I didn't get that one on camera. Again with Jace. JG Comics. Go subscribe. Link in the description. Oh, okay, you gotta check out the Joker's wild. If you're too loud, if it's too loud, you're too old.
Look at the license plate of that.
All right, this is the Joker's from the original '60s. The Joker. The Joker. Very nice. Very nice. Man, I need to make a Lego version of all of these and make them transform. And here is one of the coolest ones, Knight Rider kit. Which I can turn the camera around, but I gotta turn the tablet. Yeah. Right home, guys. Thank you so much. All you watching the videos and stuff. Subscribe to Jace over here. I want to thank him for bringing me on this. So go check out his channel. But, yeah. Had a fun day. We'll get extra footage of him so he can.
Hey.
Yeah.
Slate.
That way, whatever when he wakes up and show him this video, he's like, what were y'all doing while I was asleep? Alright. Here he is.